Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Henry Lucas from Brand Scenario, and today we'll be reviewing a mid-range phone sent to us by Realme, the Realme 6. So now let's move on to the unboxing. The Realme 6 contains a 6.5-inch ultra-smooth display that provides a seamless and smooth visual experience with every swipe of the screen. With big display and an excellent screen-to-body ratio, this waterproof phone brings you a supreme visual experience. The Comet design has a new optical plating technology. The brightness and saturation of the color are increased by 60 and 50%, making the visual effects bright that catches the eye. The phone comes in two color variants, Comet White and Comet Blue. This phone features Realme's first side fingerprint scanner. Just one press unlocks the phone instantly. The Realme UI is based on Android 10, keeping in mind the preferences and aesthetics of young consumers. The phone comes with three memory variants. The first is 4GB RAM plus 64GB space. The second, 6GB RAM plus 128GB space. And the third, 8GB RAM plus 128GB space. The 3-card slot is smartly designed for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card up to 256GB to cater to your needs. The 16-megapixel in-display selfie camera satisfies your selfie needs with the Smart Beauty mode. The edge of the camera lights up when using the front camera for crystal clear pictures. The Realme 6 boasts the latest flagship ultra-clear quad camera setup, comprised of a 64-megapixel main camera with an additional 8-megapixel lens, enhancing the resolution and quality of images taken in low-light settings and videos with UIS video stabilization. The 119 ultra-wide-angle lens enables users to capture more stunning images of landscapes, architecture, and large groups, while the macro lens enables users to get closer and discover the beauty of micro-textures and surfaces. The MediaTek Helio G90T is powerful and efficient, specially designed to the core of an incredible smartphone experience. The newly upgraded 30-watt flash charge is the real deal. The 4300 mAh battery can be fully charged within 60 minutes, and if you're running late, the phone needs just 30 minutes to charge up to 70%. So is this phone worth buying? For the features it offers with its mid-range price? Of course it is. For more tech news and updates, stay tuned to Brand Scenario and like and subscribe to our channel.